Enabling team permissions on Novo Bank is essential for managing access and collaboration among team members. Follow these steps to quickly set up team permissions. Step 1. Log into your Novo account. Access your Novo Bank account by visiting the official website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Team Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu, usually found in the Account or Profile section. Click on Team Settings to manage permissions for your team members. Step 3. Add team members. In the Team Settings section, find the option to add new team members. Enter their email addresses and assign them to your team. Ensure that each member has a Novo account to receive the invitation. Step 4. Set permissions. After adding team members, you will see options to set permissions for each individual. Choose the appropriate access levels such as view only, edit, or admin rights based on their roles in your team. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have configured the permissions for all team members, make sure to save your changes. This will apply to new settings and allow your team to access the account according to the permissions you've set. By following these steps, you can efficiently enable team permissions on Novo Bank, enhancing collaboration and security within your team.